Hello family, welcome back again. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe to it so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are looking at this problem. We are to simplify this. Okay. So this here we can rewrite as 7 on 2 all into bracket exponent. This one, which is 5 multiplied by half, like this. Okay, so which is equal to this. We can put it in a bracket like 7 on 2 into bracket exponent 5, in another bracket exponent half. Okay, so in indices or algebra, we can write a on b or exponent m as a exponent m on b exponent m. So we are going to use this here, which is equal to 7 exponent 5, okay, on 2 exponent 5 or into bracket exponent half. And this, we can write this 7 exponent 5 as 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 on 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 or exponent half. Okay, so we can pair them, which is this, then this, which is equal to 7 squared multiplied by 7 squared, then times this 7 on this 2, which is 2 squared multiplied by 2 squared times 2, or exponent half. Okay, so we can rewrite this as 7 exponent 2 multiplied by 7 exponent 2 multiplied by 7 all squared into bracket on 2 exponent 2 times 2 exponent 2 times 2, or sorry, it's power half. It's half. So our equation or expression is going to be 7 exponent 2 multiplied by half multiplied by 7 exponent 2 multiplied by half, then multiplied by 7 exponent 1 on 2 all over 2 exponent 2 multiplied by half times 2 exponent 2 multiplied by half times 2 exponent half. So this one to cancel. So leaving 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 exponent half on 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 exponent half. Okay, so now we are going to work with this, and we know that x exponent half is the same as square root of x. So this, we are going to get 7 times 7, which is 14, okay, times this, which is square root of 7. Sorry, so let me rewrite this one, which is going to be 7 times 7 times root of 7 on 2 times 2 times square root of 2, like this. Now 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, 49. So we have 49 multiplied by square root of 7 on this, and this is 4. So multiplied by square root of 2. Okay, so we need to rationalize this or simplify this. So we are going to continue. So to be 49 square root of 7 on 4 square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 on square root of 2. Okay, so now we are going to get 49 square root of 7 multiplied by square root of 2 on 4 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2. So this we are going to get 49 multiplied by square root of 7 times 2 on this one. We are going to get 4 multiplied by root of 2 times 2, okay, which is equal to 49. Then 7 times 2 we get root 14 on 4 root 4 times 2, which is root 4. Okay, so now we have 49 root 14 on square root of 4 is 2, so we get 4 multiplied by 2. Okay, so which is equal to 49 root 14 over 4 times 2 is 8, so we get 8. So this is our final answer for the expression. This is our final answer for the expression. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tricky and exciting questions. Thank you for doing that. Bye bye.